Welcome to adding yourself or a family member to the Dental Access portal. Note: any patients portrayed are fictitious. No identification with actual persons, living or deceased, is intended nor should be inferred. Language can be switched between English and Cymraeg. To apply for yourself, select Myself. You can add a family member at the end of the application and will then be allocated as a family unit. Select Continue. This service is to add patients to the Dental Access portal, where they will wait on a list for an available dentist. It is not for emergency dental treatment. To apply for this service, you must be aged 16 and over, not have received routine NHS dental treatment in Wales in the past 4 years, live at an address in Wales for more than 6 months of the year, or attend a Welsh GP practice. You will need to provide your name, your address and postcode, your date of birth, your NHS number, information on how you would like to be contacted, the name of your GP practice, an email address or mobile phone number if you do not have an email address. If you do not know your NHS number, you can find it on the NHS Wales app or by clicking on the How to Find Out Your NHS Number link. Select Start Application. An emergency treatment message displays. Note: this service is not available for dental treatment in an emergency. Dental emergencies need to be assessed and treated quickly. Using the NHS 111 Wales online link or by phoning 111 may help you find an out-of-hours dental service near you. If this isn't an emergency, select the I don't need emergency dental treatment button. Select to add first name, last name, and then to continue. Select to add an email address if you have one. If you do not have an email address, you will need to provide a mobile phone number on the next page. Select Continue. Select to add a UK mobile number. Note: if you haven't provided an email address, you must provide a mobile number. If you don't have an email address or a mobile phone number, click on the Contact Your Health Board link to manage your details. Select I would like to be contacted via a landline for communication purposes to add a landline phone number for future contact. Select Continue. The Special Requirements screen displays. If you need a dentist who can provide wheelchair access, ramps, handrails, support to transfer or hoists, select Yes. If you need a dentist who can provide adjustable or bariatric dentist chairs, select Yes. If you need a dentist who can provide additional support if you suffer from severe phobias or anxiety, select Yes. If you need a dentist who can provide mental health support or support if you have a learning disability, select Yes. Note: if you have selected Yes, you will be contacted to find out more information using the contact details you provide. If you don't need any additional services from your dentist, select No. Select Continue. Select Yes if you have received routine NHS dental treatment in Wales within the last 4 years. Note: you are not eligible for this service if you have had routine NHS dental treatment in Wales within the last 4 years. You should contact the dental practice you last visited and request an appointment. Select No if you have not received routine NHS dental treatment within the last 4 years, or if it is not possible to return to your previous dentist. Select Continue. Select Yes if you live in Wales for at least 6 months every year or have just moved to Wales and you now have a permanent Wales-based address. Then select Continue. Select Yes if you're studying in Wales and have updated your address and GP practice to where you live while studying. Then select Continue. Select No if you do not live in Wales for at least 6 months of every year. Then select Continue. Note: you will need to register using a Wales-based address or be registered with a GP practice in Wales to use the Dental Access portal. If you have a GP practice in Wales, select Go Back and then select Yes. Select Continue. Add your date of birth using 4 digits for the year. Note: you must be over 16 years old to use this service. Select Continue. Select Yes and enter your NHS number if you know it, otherwise select No. If No is selected, you will be provided with a Find Your NHS Number link, which opens in a new tab. You may also find your NHS number from a letter from the NHS, like a prescription or appointment letter, or from the NHS Wales app if you have it. When you have found out your NHS number, close this tab to return to the Dental Access portal. Select Yes and enter your NHS number. Select Continue. What is your address displays. Select to add address line 1. Address line 2 is optional. Add a town or city and a county from the drop-down. Select to add a postcode and then select Continue. Select the arrow to choose your GP practice from a list. Drag the scroll bar or click on the up and down arrows to see the full list. Select I can't see my GP practice, then see the full list of Wales-based GP practices to include all GPs in Wales. When the list is selected again, all GPs will be included. Select the GP practice and then select Continue. Select each relevant checkbox to tick a preferred contact method and then select Continue. Check your details screen displays. Select Change next to anything that needs changing. Edit as required and then select Continue. This brings you back to the Check Your Details screen. If there are no more changes, select Continue. The details entered are saved and checked against the NHS number provided. You will be connected with an NHS dentist using the details you have provided. Select Continue. Select your preferred language for treatment and then select Continue. How far can you travel in miles to reach a dentist? Enter a figure and select Continue. Do you depend on public transport? Select either Yes or No and then select Continue. Check that the details you entered are correct and select Change if needed. Make your changes and select Continue. Select Add me to the Dental Access portal. A confirmation screen displays you've been added to the Dental Access portal. You will also receive an email confirmation if you provided an email address or a text message. You will be contacted via your preferred contact method when you have been connected with a dentist. Please note, the time this takes will vary depending on the area you live in and the number of people who need a dentist. Select Continue. Select Yes if you would now like to apply for someone else. Select No if you only need to apply for yourself. Select Continue. Thank you.